that sex. Fuck the bitch, she knows that with me she ain't gotta protect. Because it's always clean. Brother man, you know my team. Smoking fly, bitch, 10 G's in my fucking jeans. It costs 5 bills, I sold them, but I'm fucking real. I don't give a fuck about what you got, cause I fucking steal. All your shit doesn't matter who the fuck you are. I got nicer shit than my mother and my father's car. It doesn't matter cause I'll land into this nigga Liz. I gotta do it whatever like my fucking lizard does in the fucking cage. I'll beat a mice in his blade. He don't give a fuck about nothing cause 10 gets me laid. I'm talking $10, I don't need much man. I just dress so fucking nice the bitches wanna touch, right? Rubber band man, now I don't give a fuck about T.I. Cause I'm the one you wanna see by the fucking B-side. So I'm fucking right, I give this shit for fucking free. Who the fuck fucks with me? Nobody but Chucky D. Fucking come and see. I love the least from Montreal and hold me down when it comes to fucking G's. Listen to what I'm saying, I ain't saying nothing cause I'll be in trouble. So fuck that shit, go to Tim Hortons, grab me a double-double. Rubber band man, wow, this is Taliban. Yeah, and in my right, in my other hand. That's jazz man, I leave a fucking mess man. It don't really matter, I'm out for the dress, man. Guarantee that shit. I'm a fucking beast, man. I'll be that shit before they even know what the streets said. Guarantee that LA can't even get his wild. I'm out on bail and I don't give a fuck, the only child. But I still love my sister. Woo! I miss her. I don't give a fuck about nothing but the fucking prison. Cause I be nervous, I be scared, but I'm fucking ready. I'll go in that bitch and pop the clutch just like a Chevy. Videotape that. Hope you got it recorded. Running out of breath, but I'm fucking horny. So you know that the stamina never run out. Fuck you, Pat. You don't know what's coming out your mouth. I heard about that shit. Guaranteed you fucking dead. 5 in one fucking clip. 10 to her fucking head. I ain't talking bullets. Talking my dick, I'll pull it. It's bigger than yours. I'm 26. That fucking mullet. You a fucking mullet. Party at the back. Business at the front. My business and you whack. You don't know what it down really adds to. I'd be glad to tattoo and bash you. I don't give a fuck. Niggas know I give a fuck. To any bitch that wanted, I ain't paying, but I give a fuck. She can get fucked by your ex, man. Call me Wolverine. I'm the next man.
That was a complete accident.